Good morning, students. Now we continue our lecture. Next is find the interval in which the function this is increasing or decreasing. देखिए बेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. We have fx is equal to sine 3x. Then what is and x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Firstly, same step, find f dash x, that is 3 cos 3x. Now beta check this is greater than 0 or less than 0, that is this function is increasing or decreasing in that interval. We have cos 3x, x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Then this implies 3x belongs to beta 3x, multiply both side by 3. 3x belongs to 3 into 0 0, 3 into pi by 2 3 pi by 2. Now interval is we have 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi to 3 pi by 2. We check that cos x is in this interval. What about the cos x value? From 0 to pi by 2 you know very well, 0 to pi by 2 cos x is positive, cos x is positive, and pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 in second quadrant after school to college, in second and third quadrant from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. What about cos x? Cos x is negative. Here, this is when 3x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 and 3x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. बेटा ये तो इंटरवल था जब 3 pi by 2. Now again divide this by 3. X belongs to divided by 3. 0 divided by 3. 0, comma, pi by 6. Cos x is positive in that interval. Cos 3x is positive in that interval, and x belongs to divided by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 2. What about cos x? Cos x is negative. You say sir cos x is negative. So function is interval sign and nature. 0 to pi by 6 positive, sign positive, function is increasing, and pi by 6 to pi by 2 sign is negative and function is decreasing. Simple. Now next question we have, find the interval in which the function f is given by 0 to pi by 2. Fx we have sin x plus cos x, and interval x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. We have to check it out this. Same, firstly find out f dash x. What is this? Cos x minus sin x. This implies cos x is equal to, put f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0. So we have cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. This implies cos x is equal to sin x. Cos x और sin x बेटा कहाँ इक्वल होते हैं? 45 cos 45 and sin 45. These both are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So in this, here and there, pi by 4 or pi by 4 plus pi, that is 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. So interval will come, interval sine and nature. What about interval 0 to pi by 4? Pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, and 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Here both the unit are positive, but cos x is greater than sin x. Cos x is greater than sin x. How we check it out? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. What about sin 0? That is 0. And what about cos 0? 1. So 0 to 45, sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So always you check it out. Till 45 cos is always positive. Cos positive means greater and sin lesser. तो बड़े से छोटा गया you got always positive sign, so it be positive. Further, both are negative. Now sin is greater and cos is lesser. Till this sin is negative, and here again cos is greater, the function is positive. So what about the nature? You say, sir, in this fx is strictly increasing, fx is strictly decreasing, in this fx is strictly increasing. Now do the exercise. Show that function fx is equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing. Simple. Exercise 6.2. First sum. Fx we have 3x plus 17. So f dash x is 3. 3 is always greater than 0. So function is increasing. Second question. We have fx is equal to e to power 2x. Fx is equal to e to power 2x. Then what is about f dash x? It's e to power 2x into 2. Exponential function is always positive. Exponential because e raised to the power x की वैल्यू क्या होती है बेटा? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus dash 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 dash. Sir, if there is minus sign, then we write it 1 by e raised to the power x. And what is this? 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial and so on. Okay, so exponential function is always greater than 0, so fx is strictly increasing. Third question we have fx is equal to sin x. Do same as in example 9. Third question is same as in example 9. Find the interval in which the function this is strictly increasing or decreasing. Do as the example 10. Same for the fifth question, same for the sixth question as in example 10. Seventh question. We have y is equal to, seventh question beta, y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. And interval is x is greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1 पे चेक करना is an increasing or decreasing throughout its domain. Means minus 1 से below value हम put नहीं कर सकते बेटा. तो firstly find dy by dx. Log 1 plus x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by 1 plus x minus u by v 2 plus 2 plus x complete का होल स्क्वायर 2 plus x 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 minus 2x 2 का डेरिवेटिव 0 प्लस x का डेरिवेटिव 1. सॉल्व इट. 1 बाय 1 प्लस x माइनस 2 प्लस x कंप्लीट का होल स्क्वायर. वी हैव 4 प्लस 2x माइनस 2x. क्रॉस आउट. टेकिंग एलसीएम 2 प्लस x कंप्लीट का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 1 प्लस x. मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 प्लस x कंप्लीट का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 minus 4x. What you will got? A plus b का होल स्क्वायर. A स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस 2x प्लस 2ab माइनस 4 minus 4x. 4 to 4 cancel out. You got x square in numerator. X square minus 2x divided by taking x common x plus 2 whole square into x plus 1. Taking x common, x is common, x square x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 complete whole square 1 plus x. अब देखिए बेटा, -1 से बड़ी वैल्यू पुटअप कीजिए. ये तो स्क्वायर है, ये ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. -1 से बड़ी वैल्यू कोई भी पुटअप कीजिए, ये भी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. -1 से बड़ी वैल्यू 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, एनी वैल्यू, इट्स बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. नाउ -1 से अबो कोई भी वैल्यू पुटअप कीजिए बेटा, 0 पॉइंट समथिंग एंड और दिस फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो positive, positive, positive. So f dash x is always greater than 0. Therefore, function is strictly increasing. Function is strictly increasing. Beta, do the same question 8. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम कल करेंगे बेटा. आज के लिए इनफ.